with me on a night run. It's currently 8:34. I'm thinking about doing 4 miles. I'm running to the convenience store to get some snacks and running home. No one tells you how hard it is to start running again after you stopped. Y'all, I got pins and needles in my stomach, but I look cute as fuck. 1 mile done. I want to turn back, but I need my goodies. Okay, you guys, mile 2. I just caught a dehydration cramp, which is crazy because I've been hydrating. Okay, my fucking stomach hurts, y'all. Okay, change of plans. I called my mom. My mom got mad at me, and she told me to go back home because there's no sidewalks. But anyways, 2 miles plus. I'll let you know when I'm at the next one. Okay guys, so I'm at 4 miles. I'm about to end this workout with a hill sprint up this hill to my house and then to my car so I can go get my snacks. Post run fit check.